Welcome to this essential guide on passive income. Today, you'll discover what passive income truly means and learn realistic strategies to generate money even while you're sleeping. This is a fundamental concept that can transform your financial future. Passive income is money you earn with minimal active effort after completing the initial setup or investment. Unlike traditional employment, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income continues flowing even when you're not actively working. Think of it as planting a tree that bears fruit year after year. Understanding the difference between active and passive income is crucial. Active income requires you to constantly trade your time for money, like a traditional job. Passive income, on the other hand, allows your money and efforts to work for you, generating returns even during your downtime. Let's debunk some dangerous myths about passive income. First, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme with zero effort. Second, it always requires significant initial work and investment. And third, it's never completely hands-off forever. Understanding these realities will set you up for actual success rather than disappointment. Here's the truth about building passive income streams. It requires substantial upfront time investment to set up properly. Most streams need periodic maintenance and monitoring to stay profitable. And perhaps most importantly, it takes considerable time to build momentum before you see meaningful returns. Patience and persistence are essential. Passive income sources fall into three main categories. Investment income comes from putting your money to work in various financial instruments. Creative income stems from producing digital products or content that can be sold repeatedly. Business income involves building automated systems that generate revenue with minimal ongoing input. Investment-based passive income includes several proven options. Dividend stocks pay you regular cash distributions from company profits. Real estate rentals provide monthly income from tenants. Peer-to-peer lending lets you earn interest by funding loans to individuals or businesses. And index funds, along with exchange-traded funds, offer diversified market exposure with dividend payments. Creative passive income leverages your skills to create products once and sell them repeatedly. Digital products like e-books and online courses can generate sales for years. Stock photography and video licensing earn royalties each time someone downloads your work. Music royalties pay whenever your songs are played or licensed. And YouTube ad revenue accumulates as viewers watch your content long after you've uploaded it. Business-based passive income involves building automated revenue systems. Affiliate marketing earns commissions by promoting other companies' products. Print-on-demand services let you sell custom designs without holding inventory. Automated online stores handle transactions while you sleep. And mobile apps or software can generate income through downloads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases for years after development. Ready to begin your passive income journey? Start by focusing on just one income stream rather than spreading yourself too thin. Be patient and stay consistent, as results take time to materialize. Make sure to reinvest your early earnings back into growing that stream. Remember, building wealth while you sleep is absolutely possible, but it requires smart strategy and dedication up front.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.